Is tax refund season. Here are 5 tips that you can do with your tax refund if you don't already have a plan. Number 1, put 10% of your tax refund for yourself into a savings or an emergency fund. If some kind of emergency arises, you don't want to have to be using credit cards or any other form of debt payments. Easier to just pay in cash and be done with. So in the event that you need some emergency money, this is what an emergency fund is for. Say you take the most expensive piece of appliance that you have in your house, from either your refrigerator, your hot water boiler, even car repair, and you decide how much it would cost to replace it. That is what you would need to put aside as an emergency fund or savings account, however you want to describe it. But minimum, pretty much everything that you want to buy at the store, it's going to cost at least £1,000, euro, or dollars. So that is why they say minimum €1,000, pound, or dollar to have in your emergency fund, savings account, however you want to phrase it. That's fine. Just go ahead and start saving some of that money, because if an emergency comes up, you don't want to have to use your credit cards. Just pay cash and you're done with. Number 2, if you don't have a debt repayment plan, get that in order first. Go ahead and write down all your debts that you have and in what order you're going to pay them. Either do the snowball effect or pay from least amount owed to the highest amount. So number 3, if you have student loans, try and get those paid off as soon as possible, unless you have a really fantastic interest rate. Then just keep it as that, but just maybe try and pay a little bit more on it. As always, these are whatever preference fits your budget style and whatever best works for you, because there's no order. If you feel like doing some charity work, go ahead and donate to one of your favorite charities or organizations based on whatever you can afford. There's a little bonus that most people don't think about. Number 5, you can always donate to one of your favorite YouTube channels. Some of the smaller YouTube channels do not qualify yet for monetization. The Cash App that is available in North America, or the Buy Me a Coffee program that is throughout the world. Check out the description below to see if your favorite YouTube channels have that. And of course, I do have a Buy Me a Coffee. But like I said, all these options are in whatever order you can afford it. So there are 5 tips what to do with your refund. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next video.